lanes. I've been driving this train, years in this lane. There's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes.
Welcome back mga ka-Autobody. It's been a while since we last met. And hindi ko alam kung may napapansin kayo sa akin ngayon. Hindi naman ako pumayat, pero meron tayong bagong kasama. Ito siya. So this is my 2021 Vespa Sprint S150 na 2 weeks old. So today I will explain to you kung ano yung riding impression ko sa first 2 weeks. And in the spirit of being true to my channel, I will not deep dive dun sa kanyang specs. I'm sure you can find some other videos in YouTube about specs ng Sprint S150. But instead, I will give you yung actual riding experience ko with this 2-week-old Vespa. So join me today.
6 AM and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine. Yeah, true passion shines and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes, you snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play.
Okay guys, so some of you may ask kung ano nangyari sa channel mo, bakit parang nagsiswitch ka na sa motovlog. Well, not entirely. So, ayaw ko lang na maging limited yung channel ko sa 4 wheels. Ayaw ko lang na puro kotse. So, it's more of like expansion yung ginagawa natin. So, from now on, makakakita na din kayo sa channel ko ng motovlog. May mga places na pupuntahan namin gamit tong scooter na to. And yung mga road trips, more on road trips. So yun yung intention namin dun sa channel kung bakit gano'n. Now, some of you might ask then, bakit Vespa? Bakit hindi na lang yung mga ibang motorcycles? Well, number one, siguro I have always been a fan of classic things or yung mga retro. Kasi sa kotse, mahilig ako sa luma. Pero ako yung tao na walang tiyaga na magpagawa. So gusto ko lang itsura ng luma, but then ayokong magtiyaga na ipaayos yung ganito, ipaayos yung ganyan. And that's what I got nung binili ko tong Vespa na to. So it's a package na luma yung itsura, pero modern yung technology and bago. So wala akong ipapaayos sa kanya. But then nakukuha ko yung look na gusto ko. So ang dami kong kinonsider na bilhin. I considered buying a big bike, but then masyadong malaki, nakakatakot. So ultimately, I decided to go on lower displacement motorcycle na magagamit ng wife ko. Pwede kong ipamana sa anak ko pagtagal-tagal kasi I think it's a good investment. Okay, so we're looking at the 2021 Vespa Sprint 150. Ang color niya, color white. Ayan, 2 weeks old. Single arm front suspension with ABS. Ayan, yung kanyang side stand is also has a sensor na automatically magsi-switch off yung makina pagka tinapakan mo. This one is a third party accessory kasi wala siyang foot peg pag binili mo for the pillion. So I decided to buy one and have it installed. And then you get the iGet engine, same engine that you get with the Primavera S. And then ayan yung kanyang suspension sa likod. So ayan. So the body, kaya nagustuhan ko yung Vespa is because lahat yan metal, nagawa sa metal. Hindi katulad ng ibang scooter, ibang bikes na gawa sa plastic. Ang part lang na plastic dito sa Vespa is this one and this one. And side mirrors are okay, premium, including yung mga pindutan. And ito gusto ko tong grip nya, makapit. Ano pa ba? Seats, good fabric, makapit siya, hindi ka dumudulas. And then it has a good cushion dito sa driver, including dito sa passenger. Isa pa na gustuhan ko dito, medyo malaki yung storage nya. So ayan, kasi yung mga gamit namin, jacket, half face helmet, kasya. And then in front, meron kang maliit na compartment. You can put your phone, and meron siyang USB charger. Yan. Very useful. Okay, so driving impression dito sa Vespa Sprint S150. For my height na 5'9", and hindi ko nasasabihin yung weight ko, pero okay naman siya, lalo na pag mag-isa lang ako kasi medyo mabigat akong tao. So pag mag-isa, maganda yung yung play nung suspension, ramdam na ramdam ko. Pero pag meron na akong sakay, may mga times, lalo na dun sa subdivision namin, medyo may kataasan yung mga humps, sumasayad yung ilalim. So I'm sure kung medyo mas magaan ka, iba yung riding comfort mo, siguro mas maganda. Pero sa akin kasi medyo may kabigatan ako, so ganun yung nangyayari. Tapos sa hatak naman, hindi ka naman maiiwanan because it's a 150cc with 12.8 horsepower. So malakas din siya. Medyo deceiving lang itsura niya kasi maliit. So kala mo putyo-putyo lang siya, kala mo e-bike, pero malakas siya. In 2 weeks actually naiakyat ko na to ng Antipolo. Hindi yung Antipolo na malayo, dito lang, medyo malapit, pero at least umakyat siya na Antipolo with may pillion, so may kasama ako. So kaya naman, kayang-kaya, nakakasabay naman sa mga mas malalaking motor. Syempre you don't expect same power with the big bikes, pero kaya naman, nakakasabay. Fuel consumption so far matipid. Siguro kung hindi din kasing bigat ko yung gagamit, mas matipid pa. Pero so far dun sa pinapagas ko, I was able to get around 26. I'm not sure, hindi accurate, pero siguro around 20 to 26 kilometers per liter. Kasi medyo mabigat ako, tsaka every time umaalis ako laging may angkas. Never pa akong bumiyahe mag-isa. So again, yung experience ko might differ from some of you, lalo na kung medyo magaan ka. Madaming factors yung i-consider mo para makuha yung fuel consumption. But so far sa akin, in 2 weeks yung palang yung nakukuha ko. So medyo okay na din, lalo na kung mag-isa siguro ako, mas madami ako makukuhang mileage sa kanya.
Stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
So that was my quick video and review of this Vespa scooter. I hope you like it, and dun sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to hit like. Kung gusto nyo i-share yung video ko, share nyo na din, and of course subscribe kayo sa channel ko. Was it a good buy? Vespa Sprint S150? Definitely. Madami kang enjoyment na makukuha sa motor na to. Sulit ba? I think so, kasi syempre Italian engineering, so feeling ko naman premium yung quality, and tatagal naman siya. katulad ng mga ibang naka-Vespa, umaabot na ng 10-20 years yung sasakyan nila and tumatakbo pa rin. So I think it's a good buy and it's worth it. Will I buy again? Siguro kung papayagan ako ulit na bumili, bibili pa ako ng isa na ganito pang kay misis para dalawa kami. Or feeling ko baka big bike na yung kasunod, who knows. Pero for now, i-enjoyin ko muna tong Vespa natin and susulitin natin. So again, see you guys on the next video and please don't forget to subscribe. Ciao!